In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI avatar using Flow AI. With Flow AI, you can not only create an AI avatar, but you can also choose your own background and customize the clothes according to your preference. So if you want to create a professional and customized AI avatar, watch this video till the end, and let's see step by step how to do it in Flow AI.
First, open Google and search for Pinterest. Click on Pinterest and open your account. In the Pinterest search bar, search for the dress style you want for your avatar. I want a coat style dress, so I will search for coat style. You will see many different designs. I am going to choose this one, but you can select any dress you like. Now, save the image. Now, go back to Google and search for Flow AI. Several websites will appear. Scroll down until you find Google Labs and click on it. Google Flow will open. Scroll down a little and you will see Create with Google Flow. Click on it and select your Google account. You will see two options. Tick both of them and click Next. A page with the privacy policy will appear. Scroll down until you find the Continue button and click on it. Now, a new page will open. Click on New Project. This is where we will do all the work. You will see the Agent button. Click on it to turn it off. Then select the Nano Banana button. A new window will open. Here, you can select the aspect ratio for your image and choose how many images you want to generate. I want to create 2 images, so I will select 2x. Now click on the plus button and select the dress image that I saved from Pinterest. The dress image has now been added. Click on the plus button again, then select Add to Prompt. Now we need to give it a prompt. I have already prepared a prompt for the image, which I will provide in the description. Copy the prompt, paste it here, and press Enter. Our image is now ready. If you want to change the dress, simply select the dress image and enter the same prompt again. The dress will be changed according to your selected design. Once you are happy with the result, right-click on the image and save it. Now, I want to change the background, so I will click on the plus button again and add this image to the prompt. Then I will copy the background changing prompt I have prepared and paste it here. And there we have it. Our avatar is ready, and the background has also been changed. Right-click on the final image and select Save as to save it. Now, to create a talking avatar, we will go back to Flow AI. Select Google Labs, then click on New Project. Click on Nano Banana, and this time select the video option. Choose the aspect ratio for your video. I want to create 2 videos, so I will keep the 2 by option selected. Now click on the plus button and select the avatar image we just created. Add the image to the prompt by selecting Add to Prompt. Now copy the video prompt I have prepared and paste it here. Inside the quotation marks, write the exact words you want your avatar to speak. I am going to add my own script, but remember, do not select more than 2 lines at a time. Otherwise, the video may not generate properly. Now, press enter. As you can see, 2 videos are being generated for us. After a short while, both videos are ready. Let's watch them and see how they turned out.
Hello everyone, AI avatar using Google Flow. First, upload your image as a character and ask Flow to use the exact same character.
Wow, the videos turned out really great. Right-click on the video you like and save it. Now we can repeat the exact same process for the next lines of the script. Our next video is ready as well.
First, upload your image as a character reference and ask Flow to use the exact same character without changing the face or identity. First, upload your image as a character reference and ask Flow to use the exact same character without changing the face or identity.
As well, choose whichever version you like best and download it.
One more useful tip. If you run out of credits on Flow AI, you can log in with another Google account that has available credits and continue creating your... And that's it! Using this simple process, you can create a customized avatar, change its outfit and background, and turn it into a talking avatar video using Google Flow. Thanks for watching this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe channel, and turn on notification bell for more useful AI tutorials. See you in the next video.